Good AM. Today is Saturday, December 23, 2023, and here are the 10:30 AM STL Visayas result today. Here are the STL Sword 3 10:30 AM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Saturday, December 23, 2023. Here are the STL Sword 3 10:30 AM result for Mandaue City under Piana Trading Supply Corporation for December 23, 2023 Saturday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of December 23, 2023 Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more lotto result update.